In the modern world, a beard is believed to be much more than just facial hair. Any hairstylist will tell you that a beard is a fashionable accessory. Some men still wear beards just to avoid daily shaving and don't spend much time grooming them. However, more and more individuals understand that a neat beard is part of their image and a way to make a certain statement. So, beard grooming becomes an integral part of their everyday life. Let's take a look at some professional advice on taking care of your beard. Shape the beard right. Any beard needs proper grooming. Shape should be constantly taken care of. Each beard should have a distinct and clear outline. This is the most important part of beard care. Once the shaping is overlooked and the outline gets lost. Number 2. Buy a trimmer. Trimmer is a compulsory part of beard care. You will need it to shape the outline. The length of the beard can be maintained by a hair clipper with different heads. These tools are easy to use and you will only need a little practice to get your beard shaping right. Number 3. Don't overlook the mustache. Don't forget about mustache grooming as well. You can use the same trimmers and hair clippers to keep it neat. The mustache requires constant care just like the beard. This facial hair grows irregularly and you need to shape it very often. Number 4. Blow dry your beard. Men tend to wash their beards and then dry them with a towel. That's not a good idea. First of all, rubbing a beard with a towel will cause some weaker hair to break. Second of all, if you are about to go outside, your face might be freezing. Dry the beard along the direction of hair growth.